Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can fix restricted mode as hidden comments for this video. Okay, so let's say that you are in YouTube, you found a video on YouTube and you want to comment on the video on YouTube, just like this one here, just like this video here, and it's saying restricted mode has hidden comments for this video. I hope you can see it. Restricted mode has hidden comment for this video. Okay, so I will show you guys how you can fix this for you to be able to comment on these YouTube videos. So before we start, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome to Untel Studio. What I do in this channel is to upload helpful videos that you're able to bypass issues on your smartphone. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, I want to hit that subscribe button now and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you on the next time I drop my next helpful video. So with that being said, guys, let's quickly get started. Just open your YouTube app. Open your YouTube app. So once you open it, what I want to do for me is just go to your settings. But first, go to your profile. Okay, click on this library here. For you to locate your profile, click on the library there. Once you click on the library, what I want to do for me is click on your profile here. This is your profile here. Just click on it. So once you click on it, what you want to do from here is to go to settings. Look at the settings down there. Just come to your settings here. Click on your settings. Okay, once you click on the settings, the next thing I want to do for me is to come to this general here. You just click on the general. Once you click on the general, okay, once you click on the general, what you want to do from here is just scroll up. Okay, just scroll up till you locate this restricted mode. Hope you can see it. Scroll up till you locate the restricted mode. It says this helps to high potential mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. So this is the thing that is making you not to be able to comment on YouTube videos. So what I want to do from here is to just toggle it off. Okay, as you can see, it was toggled on. What I want to do from is to just toggle it off for you to be able to comment on YouTube videos. I will just toggle it off, and I will go back. So let's just go back and refresh this post. Let's refresh it and see if we'll be able to comment on the YouTube video again. Okay, I'll just refresh it. Let's click on it. Okay, it's still there. Let me just refresh the post. Let me refresh the post and let's go. I hope you can see it. We can now comment on this YouTube video. Okay, we can now comment on this YouTube video. We can now comment on the YouTube video. I hope you can see it. The restricted mode is gone. Okay, the restricted mode is gone. So that is basically how you can remove this restricted mode from your YouTube, okay, for you to be able to comment on YouTube videos. So if you actually got value from today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section that this video actually helped you out. And if you're here to subscribe, so do me that favor by hitting that subscribe button, okay, and toggling on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you on the next time I drop this kind of helpful video. Okay, so with that being said, guys, thanks for watching once again. I will see you guys in my next video.